Everyone, in this video I will be discussing about templates. Now template is the new feature of C++ and basically it is a kind of macro and it support for generic programming, define generic class and function, and also called parameterized classes or functions. Why it is known as parameterized class or function? Because there is a replacement by the class or function, and we can also specify any data type at the time of actual use of the class or function. So we can with the help of templates we can use multiple different types of data types. That is the basic use of the template. If you see on the board which I have written, the use area, you see, to create a single function. Now what they say is in the use part that to create a single function or a class to work with a different data type, that is very important. So template is basically used with different data types in either the function or the class you use. If you talk about the syntax, now see, template class T, any class you can define like this way in the angular brackets, then T some function, T arguments, and this is how the class is being closed in C++, that we already know. And if I talk about the example, see, this is the example of the syntax. If I talk about this, the same thing, that is template class T void swap. Swap we have taken for swapping two numbers, fine. Template %x, that means any data type of x and y can be there. That they are since the ampersand sign is there, so they are taking value from the user. So curly braces on, then they say T temp. We have created an object for the class T, fine, the template which we have class T defined. So temp, then we swap. This is the swapping process completely. That temp value goes to x and x goes to y and y goes to temp. So this is basically the logic of swapping. But I want to tell you in this example that how the template works and what is the use of template. Basically the use of template is to create a single function or a class to work with different data types. This is very important, to create to work with different data types. So data types you already know, that integer, char, float, right, all these strings. So they are different data types. So temp basically uses that we can use different data types in any class or function whichever we defined as template. So I hope this video is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.